us again, Isabel and
James.
And we are super excited to share that we finally have a house.
We have a house. The framing is up.
It took only 22 days from the moment we poured the foundation till we got walls and
Plumbing, electric.
and the roof, and I almost said a door, but
There's no door.
There's no door.
There's no door, no windows.
Not yet.
I really love when the framing goes up because one day there's no house, and then 2 or 3 days later you go back and there's a whole house.
It's a house. You just
It's
walk
amazing.
there. Yeah, you walk there and it's a house.
It's incredible.
There. Yeah.
You know, I like to think of the framing as the skeletal system. It supports the whole home. And then the plumbing is the digestive tract. And I can't decide if it's the circulatory or the nervous system is the electric.
It's the reproductive system.
No, the reproductive system is behind the bush in the front.
For me, this part is super exciting because this is when I start thinking about what the house is going to look like, make all the design choices. I can start thinking about colors, what the floor will be like, and what fixtures we're going to buy. And
You can really start to envision the final product.
thank you, honey. Yes, that's exactly what I meant. I start seeing it and I can finally start shopping.
Yeah. Finally start shopping.
I really like that we can do this online now. It's we used to go to
Home Depot.
every day and just make all these choices.
I once
So
made
boring.
75 individual purchases at Home Depot for a house.
In the same day. Like that light for the hallway and that for the ADU. Do you like this one?
I really like this new light you chose.
Light,
Yeah.
and this is exterior.
A
This faucet.
gorgeous
look cool.
faucet. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let's look at wallpaper. Do you like this one? I love this
I
one.
absolutely love this
one.
Yes.
Love it.
This is it.
This one?
It's like Prince William.
Well, when? Now or the 90s?
Bald Prince William.
Oh, I like it.
One setback we had was the front door. You know, we had to buy a front door, which we actually don't normally need to do because we don't usually add on to the front of the house. So we went to the door store. They just sell doors. For one of their doors, it was going to take 6 to 8 weeks. They have to make the frame. They just have to put three pieces of wood together.
We settled on a different door that we wanted to get a long time ago, and it's really cool. And
It's a really beautiful door. We've wanted it for a long time.
yes, it's a bit expensive, but we finally got it, and we're going to paint it a color that's yet to be divulged.
When one door closes, another door opens.
What else? We chose the backsplash to be brick painted white.
Yeah, it's going to be really pretty.
And we bought all the lights, the chandelier, pendant lights in the kitchen.
Those 3 pendants are by far the best stylistic choice you've ever made. And I know style.
Anyway. Oh my God.
We ordered the faucet. So we ordered the hood range. We ordered the
sink.
doorknobs, both the interior and the exterior.
We picked out the floors and the tile.
This is one pet peeve I have in houses when I go see is when the doorknobs don't match, when there's a silver handle and a gold handle. How hard is it to buy the same doorknob?
A wallpaper in the bathroom,
And
which is very
wallpaper.
new. We haven't done this before, but we read some magazines and they said it's cool. So
Yeah. I'm really excited about the wallpaper, I will say. That's it for today. Until next time, follow us at stonefarmenterprises.com and on Instagram and Facebook.